In this video, I will talk about Trend Impulse Channels Indicator created by Zierman. First, you need to add the indicator in your Tradingview account. It's a precision-engineered trend-following system that visualizes discrete trend progression using volatility-scaled step logic. It replaces traditional slope-based tracking with clearly defined trend steps, capturing directional momentum only when price action decisively confirms a shift through an ATR-based trigger. Today, I will show you how to find out if the current candle is out of the box or not. Combine other parameters to decide to place an order or exit the order. At the beginning of the code, we declare the Tradingview API library. As in the previous post, I talked about this library. It is really useful if you are working with sockets. Data from Tradingview also follows this principle. Next is my familiar library. Inside contains utility functions like printing date. Next, you need a function to read data from the Trend Impulse Channels indicator in Tradingview. I named it Load Indicators. You can name it whatever you want. And don't forget to change the name in the export section. Okay, it's pretty simple. I'll start writing it for you to see. You paste the ID of the indicator need to get data. Oh, stop for a moment. In the previous video, I said how to get the ID of every indicator in Tradingview. You can review if you don't know. Next is the event function. Every time the new data of the indicator is changed, it will trigger this function. It's like when you are watching on M5 frame, a new candle just ended, and another candle is about to be created. So the data from this indicator will be changed, and it will tell you when. Key periods contains the indicator data, which is the same information as each candle. For example, for 1,000 candles, depending on your configuration, then this array has a length of 1,000 items. Okay, now it's time to test what value it gives us. Oh God, error. Calm down. Oh, I see. You forgot to export the function name. Now go back to the indicator.js file and fix it. Boom! Success! As you can see, it is an array of data containing the information you need about the indicator. Very useful. Now get the keys you need, like time, upper or lower band, trend line value at each time point, etc. Next, the main logic in this article is to detect whether the latest candle has broken out of the box or not. And from there, you consider the time to enter the order. I use loop. Check consecutively 3 latest candles. Only one of 3 candles out of the box is valid. Logic is simple, but also very important. For some reason like mode, slow network, delayed socket, or your VPS is restarted. To be sure, like you will find data in the most recent past. Compare the value of upper band if it is found to be above the box. Now, run it again to see if the current TradingView chart has candles that are above the box. The result shows that currently the candle is inside the box. No candle goes outside. Okay, so I've finished presenting. This is a simple demo code that helps you determine whether the candle is above or below the box or not. From there, yes, it can be used as a basis for more information to know and how to make a decision to place an order at the right time.